Hello YouTube, this is another quick video to address what can be an annoying little thing that you might see in the 2025 version of the Excel checkbook. Namely, the subcategory column, might show these little green triangles along with the yellow warning triangle referring to the cell being inconsistent with the column formula. Now, while harmless, it is annoying to see. It's tied to a feature called frequent payees, new in the 2025 version, whereby here in the payee description column, you can click from a drop-down list and have that automatically populate over to the subcategory. And of course, that's all over here in the settings worksheet where you can put in your favorite frequently used payees. But yeah, this very annoying little green triangle, how to make that go away. There are two options, and I'm going to recommend the first option, but I will go ahead and let you know about the second option as well. First option, that's definitely the easiest and best, is just to click on one of those yellow triangles and go to error checking options. And under the error checking options, you'll get this screen. Might look a little different depending on whether you're on Mac versus Windows. And there's a checkbox here about the inconsistent calculated column formulas. And we're just going to uncheck that and click OK, and you're done. It'll be gone. And that'll be true for all of the registers. However, let's talk about the other way. All right, now I paused the video briefly so that I could actually turn the checking back on. So I've got those annoying little green triangles again. Now the second option, at least the first way to do it, only works if you are on the Windows version of Excel, and probably even might need to be one of the newer Microsoft 365 versions. But what we do is get the mouse so that it turns to a black arrow pointing down, click, and then you'll highlight the entire column. And then it can actually take several seconds before I'll finally see a triangle reappear. And if the yellow triangle does reappear, we can click on that and then choose to ignore the error. Now again, your results might vary as to whether or not you even get to see that yellow triangle to click on it. And for Mac users, you'll have to use that option to tell Excel to just ignore those inconsistent calculated column formulas. And just by way of explanation, what we have going on here is that by default, these cells have a formula up here where it goes to and looks in the frequent payees table, looking for a match of the description column, and then retrieves the corresponding subcategory. But quite often you're just going to grab something from the pull-down list and populate it. So we've now got some entries that have been entered versus others that have been retrieved by formula, and that's why Excel is just wanting to give a little bit of a warning there. So that's the fix for it, and I hope that works for you.